Alright guys, we're back at IKEA in Bloomington, and look what happened. They modded the other elevators. But oddly enough, TKE got the job for the rest of them, not KONE. And here it is. This is the garage car. Let's go up to 1. Here we're at the first floor. We'll go back down. See, they completely replaced the cab. Looks a lot similar to the KONE's now, the basic metallic, which I think is a much better choice. New floor. Still got the 10,000 pound capacity and new innovation bruiser. Give her a ground. It's a pretty nice mod. I was expecting them to use MAD, so I'm pleasantly surprised they used innovation. Actually heard the CE beep that time. Here are at 1. We can go ride the other elevators. Do it in the same video. I did check on the KONE's. They're doing quite well. Almost seems like it has 2 door operators. Got new lanterns and everything. This mod didn't take that long though. I think they didn't fully replace everything like they did on the KONE's. Yeah, I think it has 2 door operators. Anyway, car A, the original one on my channel, is the last one under the process of being modernized. You can see they're working on it here. They got new doors, new call buttons in, and new lanterns in. It's a bit of a bummer we lost that one, since that one has a nice piece of history on my channel. But anyway, go through these brand new doors. We'll go to the bank of 2 back here, because these are both done. Starting with this one. These actually share a shaft with the other one. You can see the shaft lights are on. Let's go to 2. You're at the 2nd floor. I'll show you guys. Here's this one from up here. Again, it's funny they have the Schindler barrier up here from when Schindler had the contract back in the day. I believe the escalator's the same. Yeah, that's still Schindler. Any howdy who. I'll let them go down. There's some Legos. And a cute little easel with a bear on it. I think that's chalk, maybe paint. I don't know what that is. Yeah, it's chalk. Of course it's chalk, it's a chalkboard. Alright, let's go back down. We have some people coming down with us. Here it is.
These are kids' things, maybe. Yeah. Find something.
Oh, yeah. Bed, and I put the flannel stuff in there.
surprised these don't talk. You can see it's the exact same as the other one, except no rear door. I'm sure at some point they'll put like marketing stuff up here like they used to. Again though, I really think this cab choice is much better and will handle the wear and tear these things get every day. These are running quite well so far. Curious to see if that lasts. We'll take a quick spin on the other one and then I'll end the video. Pretty bland mod. I mean, they could have at least used yellow to make it kind of match the IKEA theme, or blue. Because I mean, the gray cab with the white LEDs is very bland in my opinion, but whatever. There goes that. We'll ride this one. Oh, freight elevators here. They're not modular freights from what I understand. I think this one they just finished a couple weeks ago, so it still smells pretty new in here. And no, the indicator's not flash. Here we are at 2, someone called it. They did mod the 330A, I don't know if I said that. Let's get off here. Alright, so that's the new mod at IKEA. I approve of it, so curious to see this one when it's finished, since this one has such a big legacy on my channel. Anyway, thanks for watching. That'll be it.